Let me now turn to our media and entertainment business. We have created one of India's largest broadcast portfolios and digital media offerings across platforms. Our 72 television channels reach 800 million Indians, representing more than 95% of the TV viewing universe. Our News 18 branded TV news platform is the largest by regional footprint, ratings, or revenue. Our entertainment portfolio, led by Colors, has grown in stature with its mass and niche offerings. Network 18 is among the top digital media players in the country, with 1 in 4 Indians on our websites or apps across Money Control, First Post, Woot, News18.com, and many others. Dear shareholders, Reliance Foundation's aim is to help change lives and empower India by providing the largest platform for developmental initiatives. As the foundation enters its 10th year, I am humbled that we have touched the lives of more than 29 million people across the country. I would like to warmly congratulate Neeta for her leadership I would like to warmly congratulate Neeta for her leadership in building India's largest philanthropic organization. Through our rural transformation programs, we have improved the livelihoods of over 8 million people across 19,000 villages. Our efforts in rural India support key national priorities like ensuring water security and doubling farmers' income using technology innovations. Last year, our foundation provided relief and rehabilitation to people impacted by natural calamities in Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Orissa. As we speak, our teams are involved in relief and rehabilitation efforts in Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Kerala in the ongoing floods. As a mark of respect to the Pulwama martyrs, we have assumed full responsibility for the education of their children and the livelihood of their families. Responding to our Honorable Prime Minister's appeal, we stand committed to support the people of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh in all their developmental needs. And Reliance will create a special task force, and you will see a lot of announcements on Jammu, Kashmir, and Ladakh and our developmental initiatives in the coming months. Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital continues to deliver excellent results in patient care in our own city, Mumbai. Last year, clinical capabilities in newer areas were developed in collaborations with doctors from Sloan Kettering, Gleneagles in Singapore, and Guy's Hospital in London. Innovative new programs in liver transplant and pediatric cardiovascular surgeries were initiated for the first time in Mumbai. Reliance has received a letter of intent from the government to set up Geo Institute under the Institute of Eminence framework. This will be one of the largest research universities, and we are committed to make this a world-class institute for higher education and research. Our education and sports for all initiatives have reached more than 18 million youth across multiple sporting disciplines. I would also like to congratulate Neeta and Akash for their leadership for Mumbai Indians. And their winning the fourth title always brings smiles to all of us in the Reliance family. I believe you are the only team to do so. Our foundation aspires to make a greater impact on the nation through partnerships, digital technology, and direct action. I seek your blessings, dear shareholders, to make this happen. Let me now summarize the value creation roadmap for your company as we are coming to the end of our largest capital expenditure cycle. Your company has invested rupees 5.4 lakh crores in the last 5 years for A, expanding and strengthening a world-class oil-to-chemicals business, which has a unique combination of scale, complexity, and resilience to business cycles. Our oil-to-chemicals business, in partnership with Saudi Aramco, is best placed to pursue growth and value creation while adding substantial value to the feedstock provided by our strategic partner. B, in creating the world's largest converged greenfield, legacy-free data network company and digital services company. Jio has grown into the proxy for tech and digital services for India. It has strong operating leverage and is best placed to win in the emerging rupees 5 lakh crore Indian digital opportunity. C, building the largest and fastest growing retail company in India. Reliance Retail has created an unbeatable pole position in the 80 billion organized retail market in India. In addition, Reliance Retail has built the capabilities to address the 700 billion unorganized retail opportunity, which we call new commerce. This is a unique business model we are building in partnership with millions of small merchants and kirana shops so that they can be empowered to serve Indian customers. Together, Reliance Retail and New Commerce will become the proxy to India's consumption story. The India-centric upstream business, in partnership with BP, will bring over 3 TCF of gas resources to production starting next year. This will generate EBITDA in excess of $1 billion a year for over a decade. We also have large and valuable real estate assets and have a strong portfolio of financial investments. Your company has thus built a unique portfolio of world-class and extremely valuable assets in the fastest growing economy in the world, India. Each of our best-in-class business is contributing to the transformation of our country while also creating enormous societal value. At the end of our largest capital expenditure cycle, we continue to be rated AAA for domestic debt and 2 notches above the sovereign rating for our international debt. These are the highest ratings for any industrial company in India. Our consolidated EBITDA last year was rupees 92,656 crores. On the strength of our existing and new growth engines, I am very confident that we can grow this by 15% annually over the next 5 years. Dear shareholders, last year we transferred our telecom infrastructure assets to 2 separate infrastructure trusts for a consideration of rupees 1.25 lakh crores with the intention of raising this money from large global institutional investors. We have received strong interests and commitments from reputed global investors and are confident that these transactions will be completed by the end of this financial year. Post this, we ended the last year with a net debt of 1,54,478 crores. We have a very clear roadmap to becoming a zero net debt company within the next 18 months, that is by 31st March 2021. Our transactions with Saudi Aramco and BP will create win-win relationships, generating significant strategic value for our partners. We expect to complete these transactions within this financial year. The commitments from these two transactions are about 1.1 lakh crores. We have received strong interest from strategic and financial investors in our consumer businesses, Jio and Reliance Retail. We will induct leading global partners in these businesses in the next few quarters and move towards listing of both these companies within the next 5 years. We will also evaluate value unlocking opportunities for our real estate and financial investments. With these initiatives, I have no doubt that your company will have one of the strongest balance sheets, not only in India, but in the world. As we achieve our zero net debt target, I assure you, my dear shareholders, that you will be rewarded abundantly through higher dividends, periodic bonus issues, and other means. At a more accelerated pace than any time in our history. Friends, in conclusion, I also wish to address my dear countrymen because they are the biggest and most important stakeholders of Reliance. My father, Dhirubhai Ambani, created Reliance because his primary motivation was to create wealth and value for India and her people. He was absolutely clear in his vision that promoters, shareholders, and employees would get their share of value only after our businesses have created maximum societal value. This is also my vision, and it will remain the unchanging vision of Reliance. The trust and confidence of the people of India in Reliance is growing stronger with each passing year, because we have remained faithful to our founder, Dhirubhai's vision and core values. This relationship of trust is our most precious asset. A single example is enough to illustrate this truth. In just 3 years, as many as 34 crore Indians have put their trust in Jio because of our uncompromising commitment to propel India to digital leadership. Nothing gives me greater happiness than to see that Reliance is now making a bigger and more positive impact on the lives of more Indians in multiple ways through business and philanthropy. And nothing gives me greater inspiration in my work each single day than my conviction that the new India that our children will grow up in will be happier, healthier, wealthier, prouder, and even more caring than ever before. I would like to thank the central and the state government, our dear shareholders, investors, lenders, suppliers, and customers for their consistent and resolute support. I thank all my colleagues on the board for their unanimous support and immense encouragement. I have special words to acknowledge the collective efforts of the entire Reliance team working tirelessly to create and sustain this world-class enterprise and institution of Reliance. Thank you. Thank you.
इन खबर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।